Meaning of dumping.
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 Dumping. Dumping refers to the practice of exporting goods to another country at lower prices than the domestic market price or production cost. This can result in a number of consequences, including undercutting local competitiveness, job loss, and reduced revenue for domestic producers. Additionally, it can create an oversupply of certain goods in foreign markets, which may lead to a range of negative impacts on the economy, including decreased demand for domestic products and increased protectionism. Ultimately, dumping can have far-reaching and often negative effects on both domestic and international economies.